Hey guys, Brett Seidel here with Lewis & Rose Interiors, and today I'm doing our first initial walkthrough with some friends who just bought a house. And step one with us when we're gonna do a remodel is we walk through the house and we get accurate scans and measurements of the whole house, so that's what we're about to do. I'm Brett Seidel, the owner and principal designer of Lewis & Rose Interiors, a residential interior design firm located in booming Frisco, Texas. We are so excited to bring you everything from practical design tips and tricks, to fun room reveals, to informative interviews, and of course, a whole lot of really beautiful designs. Like, subscribe, and then comment with your thoughts and questions. We love hearing from you and can't wait to share with you some truly fun and inspiring content. So welcome. Okay, so you guys just bought the house. This is like an 80s house. You guys want to modernize it, make it fresh.
Absolutely.
Still keep all the charm. I know Vicky's not here to walk through, but first steps when we have all of these like grand ideas of renovation, and like every human, there's a budget attached to that. You guys are gonna work on giving me a list of everything you want.
Right.
Like dream house situation, don't worry about budget. And then what we'll go through is we'll start to prioritize it. And then what we're gonna do today during the walkthrough is I'm gonna scan all of the rooms. That helps us get really accurate measurements. And I can also build up our models on that, or 3D models. And that way we can look at it from a bird's eye view, and then we can start moving around walls.
Great.
And work on priorities from there. And then you begin to get those bids out.
Great.
And you get numbers from those kind of original scans.
That's awesome. So how do you scan? Like, what do you use?
My iPhone.
Oh, fancy.
Yes. No, so normally before this actually app came out, we would go through and we would hand measure absolutely everything.
Right.
Then we would draw the floor plan in our software. There's an app, it's called Canvas. It's fabulous. It basically takes all accurate measurements of everything, and then allows us to have that foundational build for when we go in. We use a program called Sketchup. We build it all up from there. So
and it kind of gives you that 3D look as well.
It gives us that 3D look.
Wow.
Yep, that's what we build it.
Wow. Well, that would be really
Elevations.
helpful for Vicky and I to be able to just, sometimes it's hard to both get on the same mental image, so it'll be great to be able to visualize it together and see what we're working with.
Yeah, we walk in, I'm like, oh, I can see it in my head.
Right.
But I know that most of the time that's not how it is, which is why people need a designer. So yeah, we'll give you those visuals to help you feel and like the actual scale and look at the actual scale on paper.
Awesome. Great.
Okay, well, let's walk through it.
All right, let's do it.
I like to do kind of 1 or 2 rooms at a time, and then I can merge them together. That in case I get a phone call, it doesn't like break the whole thing. Okay, so I just scanned the whole house. So I'm gonna get working on the floor plans, basic floor plans on your end and with your wife. What you guys need to do is just create your priority list. Get it down on paper, start talking through wish lists, and then we'll begin to pull back and just prioritize. And then we take that list and we look at the floor plan and we kind of bring them together.
Awesome. We're super, super, super excited, so can't wait.
Excited about it.
Let's go.